Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte driver. So this is first we have to come this site www.gigabyte.com, this officially website. So you can come on this first. After that, this is search icon. You can see, just click on it and then enter the model number of graphic card GeForce RTX 4090 AERO 12G. Then click on the product and then click on the name of the title. And then click on the support. And then click on select your driver Windows 10 11. So both operating system, the installations process same. So this is NVIDIA and you can see this is size and this is state. You can just click to download. When you click to download, it will start downloading. Okay, so it will take some time, 5 to 10 minutes, and depend about your internet. If your internet good, so it will download quickly. After that, click on three dot and then click on download. Now you can see it is completed. So this is completed. Then open this file, show in file folder. So where it is downloading, it will open it. You can see this is your driver. Just right click and run as administrator. And if you are using Windows 10, so like this, run as administrator. You can see NVIDIA package launcher and click to yes. Then click on OK. After that, you can see this is extract drivers to your system for the installation. Please wait the file save to your computer, and when complete, driver installations will start. After that, you can see. Okay, now you're checking the connectivity, and then next to install, next, and then restart your system. You can see this is icon, next, license options, and here to step finished. And after that, also completed driver, then restart your system.